second bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it.
Welcome YouTubers, it's your man Chris. This video will illustrate by demonstrating traffic hacking like this. Going over 6 miles in New York City without being stopped by a single traffic light on the map here, moving from the bottom to the top. Traveling south on 2nd Ave, we started in Harlem at 120th Street. You'll have to rewind and peep the street sign at the beginning to see. We finished the trip in Lower Manhattan at East 1st Street, passing every last traffic light only being green. We'll use the no traffic light symbol on the map as our place pin to illustrate the exact spot we're at. This moving translucent map here on the left pinpoints our position along with the street sign graphic effects. Now how exactly do I go so far without a red light? Traffic hacking is all about timing and insight. A lot of experience and perspective for pattern recognition allows me to move the right speed and navigate the right position. It's a matter of moving at the timing of green lights and maneuvering around slow traffic to keep the timing tight. If you let slow drivers prohibit you maintaining your speed, you lose the timing of the lights, which of course you need. Being on a bike really helps with this fact, because I can travel all lanes, keeping my speed intact. That includes the bus lane, which is usually clear. It allows me to pass most traffic when a lot appears. When all lanes are crowded, including the bus, I maneuver between cars. I don't stop, believe it and trust. I think that should explain how I hack the traffic, how I'm a master traffic hack. I love the fast track. It's a science and an art for rapidly traveling the streets. I got a need and a greed for the speed, true indeed. When you think about it, the faster you move, the more time you create. You can reclaim travel time as your own. Can you relate? The less time it takes for you to get from A to B, the more time you have to use as you choose to, free. Anyway, that's enough for me and some of my philosophy. I'ma let the video illustrate the title stated prophecy. Remember what it was? Over 6 miles, no stopping. I'll show you better than telling you. My demonstration got it popping. Enjoy. I don't stop. I'm moving between cars. I don't stop.
Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it.
Give me the green light.
Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it.
Give me the green light.
trials won't stop. Traffic hackers veil. No cap, no clickbait. Prophecy fulfilled.
Give me the green light.
And that YouTuber brings us to the end. Subscribe, like, and comment. I hope to see you again. Peace.